Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to unlock ISO 18 and I'm using iPhone 13 which is on the latest ISO 18. So I'm going to permanently unlock this iPhone, and you can see this is iPhone 13 and I will going to permanently unlock this iPhone. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number. After buying the unlocking file, just you need to connect your iPhone to the 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing, but you also need the unlocking file, which you have to WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking file. So after buying the unlocking file, just you need to open 3U tool and go to the flash option, smart flash option, and select the unlocking file which you have already purchased from us. Just you need to simply import the unlocking file. For example, iCloud unlocking ISO 18 iPhone 13 file is imported, and I'm going to do the unlocking. You can see that our unlocking is started. It will take little bit time, depend on your iPhone. So if you're interested in our unlocking file, just you need to WhatsApp me on this number. So you can see that our flashing is almost started, and it will take little bit time, depend on your phone. This method is working with ISO 18. This method is also working with ISO 17. Also, it's working with ISO 16 and 15. So if you need any help, just you need to WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking files. This method is also working with all iPhone models and all iPad models. So if you have any iPad or iPhone, you can WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking files. Flashing will take some time to complete the flashing. This method is also working on the iPhone 14. This is working on iPhone 15, iPhone 16. The latest iPhone model, iPhone 16, is also supported. And if you have any other phones like iPhone X or iPhone 11 or 12, also they are supported with our unlocking file. Just you need to buy the unlocking file from them, and just you need to import the file to the 3U tool, and just you need to flash your phone with that. Also, this method is 100% working and it's a permanent method. You can use SIM card, call, data, everything will work fine, perfectly fine. You can update on the latest ISO like 18.1 or something like that. So just you need to buy the file and use this phone. So our flashing is almost completed. Congratulations, retain data flash completed. Now it will take a little bit time to complete the setup. Now you can see our phone is on, and don't worry if you see this option, just you need to unplug it and follow this step, and I will show you step by step. Click on English, whatever language you have, select your country, setup without another device, customize setting or whatever you want. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. If you see data and privacy, that means your iPhone is 100% unlocked. Just you need to wait and you can see the option data and privacy. If you don't see the data and privacy, then you need to reflash it again, but don't worry, our service is permanent, so you will see the data and privacy. You can see data and privacy. Click on continue. Set up for myself, set up later, don't use passcode, don't transfer anything, set up later, agree. Just you need to follow this step to complete the activation. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking files. Welcome to iPhone. Voila, our iPhone is unlocked. It's on the latest ISO 18. You can see iOS 18 has changed a lot of things in iPhone settings. So you can enter the new iCloud account here if you want, and you can use your phone. This is permanent method. You can update or reset. Don't worry, you can use the SIM card, call, data, everything work fine. Also, this method is working with lost and blacklisted phones. You can see everything is working fine. You can enter the SIM card and make some calls if you want. Right now I don't have SIM card inside. This is iPhone 13 and we have permanently unlocked this phone. So if you need the unlocking file, just you need to WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking file. If you don't see WhatsApp number, you can visit in the description link. Also, if you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. So don't forget to like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our video. I will next time I will show you iPhone 14 locked it phone, and we will do the unlocking there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.